At HCLTech, we provide technology services and solutions for some of the world's biggest companies. Yep, those ones, and loads more like them. By bringing together the best of technology with our people, we deliver an industry-leading portfolio that spans AI, digital, engineering, cloud, and software. All that good stuff. But it's not just what we do, it's how we do it. We're grounded in what we like to call the art of the possible, which is our poetic way of saying that we make sure you can deploy practical and transformational technology solutions at speed and scale. This is guided by 4 decades of our heritage in engineering. That's a lot of evolving technology. This rich experience helps us to continually adapt and create new tech services and solutions that are fundamentally intelligent, efficient, and business-aligned, delivered by our people who are our true differentiators, not just in numbers, but in their ability to create value beyond the expected. And we have a lot of great people in a lot of different places. They collaborate and co-innovate round the clock, around the world, day in and day out, working for new disruptors, as well as established Global 2000 companies. From financial services and manufacturing to retail and technology, from life sciences and healthcare to telecom and media and more, across every industry. As a partner of choice for these Global 2000 companies, we are consistently recognized by industry analysts for delivering transformative and sustainable business outcomes. We're imaginative and realistic, creative and pragmatic. Most importantly, we're passionate about delivering smart solutions that deliver business outcomes, passionate about cutting costs and the cutting edge, passionate about our clients, our people, our communities, and our planet. And that's how we're supercharging progress.